There is nothing more dangerous than the man who tells the truth, because truth is violent. It tears away illusions, shatters fragile egos, and demands the death of false comfort. Most people live in the cave not because they're chained, but because they choose to. They fear the light more than the darkness. Awakening is not bliss. It is burden. The philosopher who sees reality as it is must carry that weight alone, mocked by those who mistake shadows for substance. Real wisdom is not celebrated. It is resisted, feared, and silenced. But ask yourself, what is the price of comfort? To live in ignorance is to die before death. To refuse truth is to kneel willingly at the altar of illusion. And so the path remains brutal, lonely, merciless. Yet it is the only path that leads to freedom. To pursue truth, even when it isolates you, even when it strips you of everything, that is the mark of a mind that refuses to bow. Better to stand alone in the light than to rot among the shadows. Roche Sauvage doesn't speak to everyone, only to those who feel.